Ah, Scotland. The land of endless beauty and
Midges! Midges everywhere!
today we embarked on a trialing quest to find gold in a Scottish river. And oh boy, we hit the jackpot. Well, sort of. Sit back, relax, and enjoy the adventure.
There we go. Patrick, how you like midges?
Love it, loving it.
It's everywhere! Everywhere!
I was eaten alive by midges. There is another bucket ready.
Good fun.
I hope you enjoyed the beauty of the Scottish hills. If you did, don't forget to leave a comment, give this video a like and hit that subscribe button before midges steal all your gold. Thank you.